In the last video, we talked about how to download Blue Prism Learning Edition. Now in this video, we'll talk about how to install Blue Prism Learning Edition in your system. So here you can see from the last video, we downloaded this one. Now to install this, just double click on that and then click here, install anyway. Basically this is Microsoft installers. Here you can see this is the installation screen. Click on get started and then click on this I agree. This is the terms and license that you have to agree. Then click next. Here you can see this is the location where Blue Prism will be installed. Now click on install. Now it will install Blue Prism in your system. Here you can see we are getting this error stop. It means we have to close our Chrome browser. So just close that. Now click on retry, and meanwhile I'm going to show you that I have not installed SQL Server here in my system. You can see this is the control panel program features, and here you can see I have not installed Microsoft SQL Server, and you can see here we have successfully installed Blue Prism in our system. Now click on finish and launch Blue Prism. Here you can see Blue Prism 6.10.1. Now here you can see we have to create your password, sign in with Blue Prism credentials. By default username is admin. Now you have to create a new password. So I'm going to put here my password. Now click on save and continue. Now so here you can see Blue Prism will install a local database in your system so that Blue Prism can use that here. So click on next and you will see here Blue Prism is going to build a database. Now it is creating database. Now you can see we have successfully installed Blue Prism. Now we have to activate our Blue Prism license. So click next. And then here you can see by default this connection has been selected. If you click on configure, then you can see connection name is local DB connection. By default SQL Server Windows authentication selected here, and the database server that is local DB / Blue Prism local DB, and the database name is Blue Prism. So this is the server, local DB server that is installed and created by Blue Prism itself. You can just click on test connection and you can see that database valid. Now click OK, and then here you have to log in with your username and password. So my username is admin and then password that you entered while creating that password. So I'll put here. Now click sign in using Blue Prism. Now here you have to find that license file and then you have to activate that. So here in my Gmail I have already received this license key. You can just go down and here you can see this is the license file. Click on download. So this license I already have this, and here you can see this is the license file. So just go to the Blue Prism, click on browse, go to the download folder, select this license file, click open, click next. Now you can see all set up. So now we are ready to use Blue Prism, and here you can see we have successfully installed Blue Prism and we have activated Blue Prism. Here you can see it shows that connection local DB connection connected to SQL Server 2017. If you go to here in your control panel, click on program and features, and now you can search here Microsoft SQL Server 2017 local DB has been installed now. In the next video we'll talk about Blue Prism user interface overview.